Oh, how's it going there, YouTube? Well, we're losing daylight here kind of fast, but I wanted to at least try to get a video shot for you guys, because that way, you know, you guys are getting left in the dark here too, just like it's trying to get dark up here in Keswick right now. But, nope, Big Dirty's is still here. Like I told you guys in one of the last videos, I was looking at trading Big Dirty in, but I think it's going to be an after winter deal. I'm going to keep him through the winter time, and then in the springtime, I'll be looking at picking up another truck. So, for now, Big Dirty's going to stay, and then, you know, do whatever it needs, it'll get, and then go from there. But I was test drove a 2016 Denali HD, so that's quite the upgrade, but to the tune of $900 a month. I figured he can keep that truck for right now. I got other things, my insurance stuff for renewal. I got to get this thing finished up, which is kind of what I want to talk about today, and then I'd have to trade this thing in, and want to finish that. I did end up pricing out a trailer from Miska Trailers there in Hamilton. I think it was Hamilton. I don't remember right now. Priced out a 7.5 by 18 dual 3,500 pound axle to the tune of $3,500. But you know, everyone else is getting their kind of year-end deal going on right now. So, well, coming up, I should say, so we'll see what kind of happens there. If that price drops down a little bit more, I'll just maybe pick that up and we'll slide it in here, because I know a certain steam show we go to in the summertime is featuring Cockshot, and I already have people saying, oh, well, we hope to have that tractor there, so we see what happens. Anyway, I figured I'd get you guys a truck update, because I've been doing an awful pile of work on the big lifted truck here. You guys see on Instagram and Facebook, see what I've kind of got going on. So anyway, I picked up a set of front fenders for it finally, and I was going to do a video for you guys how to change that, but I can show you guys another day just how to do it. I got to play with my hood gap on the driver's side here a little bit, but the passenger side lined up just almost perfectly. So I got two new old fenders. I ended up respraying the whole thing. It's actually a match not too bad. You can see by the door where it's a little bit more faded, and I got to wet sand a little bit more. But I do, of course, have the fender flares on the front now. I did color match the GMC badge, and that actually looks really good. I kept the I did the red letters in silver birch metallic, excuse me, and I kept the chrome trim around that. Oh, my redneck clothesline there, so if someone decides to run up my driveway in the dark, they'll knock themselves out. Anyway, this is my latest addition to this kind of last week. Color matched the tailgate trim here. Turned it alright, I guess. This tailgate's actually off an 04. My buddy's 04 truck that unfortunately got wrecked. Then he bought this one, and so on and so on. But I painted the pop block thing there and painted the tailgate. I may debadge the tailgate. I don't know. I might leave the GMC on there. I might pull the Sierra off. I don't know. Just depends on what my mood is that day. Anyway, next step, I'm going to be getting the steering box to go back inside. I'm just going to pick one up. I ordered one there, what day is it now? Today's Monday. Saturday, I think I was in there and I was looking for one, so. Anyway, business is booming here at the Scrap Metal Depot. We got someone dropped off some goodies for us tonight. Here, a little bit of brass. Also kind of offered up to do switch over winter tires if people got your tires on rims and whatnot at Pine Beach Auto and Scrap over here. If you guys wanted to give me a shout, I can put your winter tires on for you, $19.95, if you're interested. But anyway, I don't remember, did I tell you guys I got the bearings for the differential? I think I did. Got that. Steering box on the way. I think that's pretty much it. But anyway, we're losing daylight and I'm starving, so we'll check you guys in a little bit.